Hello, my name is Nathan Taylor, otherwise known as Sockmatician, and this is a double knitting tutorial. In this one I'm going to be showing you how to work the centered double decrease in double knitting, and to do that I first of all need to rearrange my next 3 pairs of stitches from knit, purl, knit, purl, knit, purl to knit, 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 purl, 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 and that's done like this. Insert the tip of the right needle into the first, third and fifth stitches, and slide the left needle out of all 5, and the second and fourth stitches pop free at the back. Grab them quickly before they've got a chance to unravel anywhere, and then you can slip purlwise the 3 knit stitches over back to the left needle, and there we have it. Knit, 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 purl, purl, purl. Centered double decrease, I like to do it this way. So I slip both of the first 2 stitches together and knitwise, which switches their orientation, and then I slip the 3rd stitch also knitwise. Then I insert the tip of the left needle going in towards me like that at the front of the work, and I knit the 3 stitches together through the back legs. That gives me the centered double decrease on this side of the fabric. You can just as easily do it with the other yarn. I'm doing it with my yarn A, which is the yellow yarn on this side. Then you bring both yarns to the front and you slip 1 stitch knitwise, slip a 2nd stitch knitwise, slip them both together and knitwise, which means coming around the front like so. If I can get it through the right gap, coming around the front there and slipping them back over to the left needle, and then purl 3 together with the opposite yarn. Take both yarns to the back to finish, and there you have the centered double decrease in double knitting on both sides of the work. Zip!